In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow someone on Midjourney. If you enjoy discovering new styles, staying inspired, and keeping track of your favorite creators, following them on the Midjourney website is the easiest way to bring their latest work into your feed. Start by opening the Midjourney website and heading to the Explore page. This is where the community's most interesting images and videos are surfaced. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so the follow button will be available to you. Being signed in ensures your choices are saved to your account and that you'll actually see updates from people you follow. Next, click on any video or image that catches your eye. This opens the artwork's detailed view, sometimes called the job page. Here you'll see the piece at a larger size, along with helpful context like variations, upscales, and other details provided by the creator. Opening a piece this way does more than just give you a closer look. It also makes it easy to jump straight to the creator's profile without hunting around the site. Now, look for the creator's name near the image or at the top of the page and click it. That takes you to their profile where you can browse their archive to get a feel for their style and consistency. When you're ready, click the follow button. It should switch to following, confirming that it worked. If you ever change your mind, you can click it again to unfollow. That's all it takes. Visit Midjourney, open any image or video, go to the creator's profile and follow them. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the follow button, make sure you're signed in to the correct account and refresh the page. If the name looks similar to another creator, scan the profile's gallery to confirm it's the person you intended to follow. You can follow as many creators as you like. This helps curate your home or explore experience so it reflects the styles and themes you care about. And if you're exploring for a specific look, open a few artworks first, compare profiles, and follow the ones whose archives consistently match your taste. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Following creators on Midjourney turns casual browsing into a tailored stream of inspiration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a feed that keeps your creativity moving.